Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying your gunner view and optics. Set the correct shell and reticle because ballistics differ by ammunition. Once done, zero your scope to a known distance and confirm magnification. Make sure wind and elevation indicators are visible on your HUD and choose a conspicuous reference point on the terrain ahead. You then estimate the enemy's movement direction and approximate speed. This initial setup saves time and reduces correction cycles when you take the first ranging shot. You now perform a controlled ranging shot. Fire one round and immediately observe the splash or impact point relative to your reticle. Use that displacement to compute vertical and horizontal corrections, adjusting by predictable increments such as 0, 5 or 1 mil because small steps avoid overshooting. Once adjusted, fire a follow-up shot to confirm. If the second round lands on target, you're nearly done. If not, apply one more precise correction. This iterative method keeps your shots efficient and conserves ammo. You finish by locking the confirmed range and switching to engagement mode. Maintain lead on a moving target by tracking its velocity and applying the previously validated aim corrections. Make sure to adjust for slope and elevation changes as terrain alters effective range. If rounds keep missing, stop and re-zero your sights, verify you selected the correct shell type, and confirm magnification. These are the usual culprits. A quick recheck prevents wasted salvos and gets you back to accurate, repeatable fire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.